Spanish Town Primary travels from St. Catherine today to face Lanneman's Prep from Kingston.
The coin toss we had earlier saw Lanneman's Prep winning and they decided to go first. So we start section 1 where we ask questions of the teams alternately. They'll each have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We start off with Bible knowledge. Lanneman's, in which river was Jesus baptized?
River Jordan.
Correct. Spanish Town, which prophet and cousin of Jesus was beheaded?
John the Baptist.
Correct. Science, Lanneman's, the following body parts are associated with which body system? Vertebrate, skull, rib cage, and joints.
Vertebrate.
Incorrect, it's skeletal. Spanish Town, the following body parts are associated with which body system? Tendons, triceps, biceps, and hamstring.
Muscular system.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Lanneman's, the JBA is a non-profit organization that represents commercial and merchant banks in Jamaica. What does the abbreviation JBA stand for?
Jamaica Bankers Association.
Jamaica Bankers Association.
Correct. Spanish Town, the JSE governs the stock market locally. What does the abbreviation JSE stand for?
Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Correct. English language, Lanneman's, correct the error in this sentence. She was angry at me for walking away.
Me should be I, me should be I.
Me should be I.
Incorrect, she was angry with me for walking away. Spanish Town, correct the error in this sentence. Johnny has broke his leg in the accident.
Johnny has broken his leg in the accident.
Correct. Television. Lanneman's, give the first and last names of the host of the Suzanne show aired on TVJ.
Susan Wright.
Incorrect, it's Susan Symes. Spanish Town, which sports series is aired on TVJ every Wednesday night at 9:30 p.m.?
Sports commentary.
Incorrect, it's The Contender. General knowledge, Lanneman's, Bridgetown is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Barbados.
Correct. Spanish Town, Port of Spain is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Social studies, Lanneman's, who is widely referred to as the mother of Jamaican art?
Louise Bennett. No. Louise Bennett.
Edna Manley.
Correct. Spanish Town, who is often referred to as Jamaica's reggae icon?
Bob Marley.
Correct. Music. Lanneman's, to which family of instruments does a guitar belong?
String.
Correct. Spanish Town, to which specific family of instruments does a flute belong?
Wind.
George? Specific. So that's incorrect. It's woodwind. Mathematics. Lanneman's, what is the average of 80, 55, and 45?
Sixty.
Correct. Spanish Town, what is the average of 57, 49, and 50? The question passes to Lanneman's. Would you like to try?
52.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1.
At the end of round 1, Lanneman's Prep is ahead with 7 points, while Spanish Town Primary is not far behind on 6 points.
We go for a break and come back for the Junior Challenge face-off. Please stay with us.